This question on board is a question from area expansivity. You know, area of a material increases when heated, just like as the length increases when heated. So this on board is one of the questions that comes from area expansivity of a material or solid. Okay, let's solve. The coefficient of linear expansivity of a brass is 0.000019 per Kelvin. What will the area of 30 meters square becomes if its temperature is raised by, let's solve, okay? Then it has formula. The formula says beta is equals to A2 minus A1 all over A1 in bracket temperature rise. That is changing temperature, okay, or temperature difference. This beta here stands for area expansivity or superficial expansivity, okay, one. Then this is the change in temperature, okay. Now they now say what would be the area of 30 meters square of this brass becomes if its temperature is raised by 20 Kelvin. So if the temperature is increased up to 20 Kelvin, what will be the new area now? Okay, so the first area, which is the original area, is 30 meter square. Now, what we do here is to make A2 subject of formula before we insert our values, okay? Before we continue, take note of this, that beta is the same thing as 2 linear expansivity. Area expansivity is equals to 2 times linear expansivity, okay, from derivation. So take note of that, because from this question now, you are looking for this, and this one is given, then temperature rise is also given, then you still need the value of this area expansivity, but they did not give this area expansivity on this question. So you may be confused, where will I get it? That is why you need to know this, okay? That is the relationship between area expansivity and linear expansivity. So linear expansivity was given on this question, which is the linear expansivity of brass. Look at it, 0.00019 per Kelvin. So we are now going to convert it with the relationship, okay, to beta, which is our area expansivity, by multiplying this value by 2 in order to get this. Now, making this a subject of formula, we cross multiply, okay. A2 minus A1 times 1 will give us A2 minus A1 equals to beta times everything down here, which is beta A1 change in temperature, okay. But beta is 2 times alpha. Then, okay, now let's take this to the other side in order to make this one subject of formula. We now have A2, which is equals to beta A1 change in temperature plus A1 when this crosses here. The sign of the sign changes to plus, okay, when it crosses equality sign. Now let us remove this and put this. Now have A2 equals to, substituting this with 2 alpha A1 change in temperature plus A1. Now let's insert our values. 2 times linear expansivity 0.00019 times A1, which is 30, times temperature rise, which is 20, plus original, which is 30. Now let us multiply through. We now have 0.0228 plus 30 when we multiply all this, okay? So now to add all of them, we now have 30.0228 meter square. So the new area now, which is 80, is equals to 30.0228 meter square. And this is how to solve it. Thank you so much. Please make sure you follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Thank you so much and God bless.